before starting the video, when you watch my video on YouTube, search for My Me Women. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss new uploads. Hello friends, today I will show you how to get Korean skin at home and secret products used for it. Let's start with step 1. Cleanse. On a cotton wipe, take few drops of olive oil and 2-3 drops of rose water. Here I am using rose water. You can use any pink or white rose water if you have. Cleanse it nicely and thoroughly. You can see the dirt here. Olive oil is a great antibacterial and rose water improves complexion. Now step 2 is cleanser, means more cleaning. We use aloe vera gel here. I am using Patanjali. You can use any brand you like and clean it nicely. Now step 3, exfoliate and scrub. For this I need half spoon sugar, 1 spoon rice and few drops of rose water. Mix it nicely to form a thick paste. Mix it very nicely. If you feel there are lumps and it is dry, you can add a few more drops of rose water like I'm adding here and mix it again to form a thick paste. Now as you keep on mixing, you'll see it is forming a paste. It's not too flowy. Now take it and apply it very gently and massage it all over your skin. Sugar is a wonderful exfoliator which helps remove dead skin and refresh tired and clogged pores. Rice flour contains a few sun-protecting agents like phenolic acid and allantoin, which converts into sunscreen. It also removes tan and keep it for 2 minutes. Wash it and remember, wipe it with tap-tap method. Don't scrub your face, it leads to more pigmentation. You see the change? Your skin has already started glowing. Now step 4, toner. Apply any toner you like or have been using as per the skin type. It feels so soft and it's showing the results. This treatment is followed by Koreans since ages and they have amazed everyone. It is very simple and an easy routine. It will show awesome results when done once a week. Don't forget to try it and see the difference yourself. Share this with your friends and family. Be yourself. Look great, feel great, and thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Bye.